So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, recently one of our viewer who has joined Cognizant as a programmer analyst trainee and his overall CTC is 2.5 LPA. So he just wanted to know about what will be his enhanced salary or monthly enhanced salary. And he said recently this screenshot with me. And this is all about the salary structure or the salary breakup. So I just wanted to make a video so that everyone will be able to know what will be their enhanced salary if their salary is 2.5 LPA or if they are joining Cognizant as a programmer analyst trainee, right? So in this video we'll be discussing about that. But before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus and about various preparation videos, and also various technology related videos we upload or make, like related to SQL, and we are upcoming days we are going to upload videos related to the data science and the machine learning as well. It is totally free of cost, right? And also interview experience like for Dell and other companies, and also we take a mock interview as well for various companies. It is totally free of cost. So you can reach out to us for the mock interview as well through our email address helpfultechniques@gmail.com. We'll schedule the mock interview and we'll let you know like what are the various areas you need to work and how to prepare for the interviews, right? So now let's discuss one by one. So this is the salary structure. So the first one is the basic salary, and this is for the monthly and for the yearly. So I hope the salary is same for everyone, because the for the mass hiring take Cognizant, the salary structure is same only, and the total CTC is also same for the freshers. And this is for the HRA and convenience allowance, medical allowance, then company contribution to the PF, and advanced statutory bonus, and special allowance and companies contribution to the ESI. And total, this is the total salary, and this is the towards the medical or the accident related or the life insurance related fund, or you can say the contribution or the company's contribution towards this. So now let's calculate one by one whether it is included in your enhanced salary or it is just a allowance or something, or variable kind of thing, or if it is fixed or not, right? So the basic salary is the fixed amount. Let me choose the pen. So basic salary is the fixed one. That means you will be getting monthly 7,300, and HRA also house rent allowance, it is also fixed 2,920 you will be getting every month. And convenience allowance is 800 rupees only, it is also fixed, that means every month you'll be getting. And medical allowance also you'll be getting 1,250. And company's contribution to the PF, towards PF, so this is 1,800 rupees. So that means company will be paying towards PF, so no need to, it will not be included in your monthly salary or monthly CTC, because this is being contributed towards your PF. That means at the end you'll be getting the money, or you can say if you want to withdraw the money from your PF account, then you can withdraw. But monthly, in your monthly salary, it will not be included. So I am putting it as a cross mark, right? Then advanced statutory bonus, also this one also will be getting as a monthly salary. Then special allowance, so I am not sure what are the things are included in the special allowance, because I don't have the update about this. But yes, this is the this amount you'll be getting monthly on the monthly basis. Then company's contribution of ESI, so this is basically a kind of employee scheme, or you can say employee, something related to the employee scheme, where the company generally put the salary or some percentage of your gross salary on monthly basis, like PF, and at the end you can withdraw when you are leaving the company. So this thing you will not be getting in your monthly salary, because they are contributing towards ESI, not towards your monthly CTC. So these are things you'll be getting for your monthly on the monthly basis. So now let's calculate what will be your salary based on this. So 7,300 rupees you'll be getting towards the basic salary. Then HRA is 2,920, approx 3,000. Then 800 is the convenience allowance, and then medical allowance also will be getting Then coming to the company's contribution, it is not included. Then statutory bonus, you'll be getting 2000 rupees. Then coming to the 2000 rupees. Then special allowance, so it is 4227, so 18,497, approximately 18.5k. Then company's contribution to ESI, as I told you earlier, this is not included in a monthly salary, so that means this is the in-hand salary, 18,497, or approximately 18.5k. that means 18,500 rupees you'll be getting. So it may vary for some regions, like if you belong to some metro city or something like that, but they are not providing something related to the metro city, like city allowance or something. It is included in the special allowance, I guess, because they have not mentioned anywhere. But for the experienced candidates, they separately mention this is as a city allowance or something. But right now they are not providing any city allowance in this salary structure. That means it is not included kind of thing. That means 18,500 rupees you'll be getting. So it may vary, and somewhere between 18,500 to 19,000 rupees you'll be getting on monthly basis if you are joining Cognizant as a programmer analyst training. So I hope it is clear right now. So if you have any doubt regarding to this position or something like that, or if you want me to make video related to some other company salary structure, or what will be the in-hand salary for other companies, let me know. You can share your screenshot of your salary structure. I'll make a video on this, and I'll explain it to you what will be your monthly salary. So I hope it is clear right now. So